Assalamualaikum and Hi everyone. Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri, Maaf Zahir dan Batin. So I hope you guys had a good celebration with your family, even though kita celebrate dalam keadaan PKP. So unfortunately, sad news for me, my father is positive and currently quarantine at MAX, and kita orang satu family pun kena self quarantine. So we just celebrate apa yang ada, walaupun no guests allowed, and just duduk rumah. Just wish everyone pun dalam WhatsApp group. So what a memory to remember. So I hope you guys jaga diri, stay safe, sentiasa duduk dekat rumah, and always patuhi SOP. Okay, what is you guys punya tema? So I punya tema raya tahun ni is white and black. I cannot show you guys my full baju raya, but I will share it on my Instagram. Follow, okay? So